Hey there, Tim Whitehead here with Elite Career Strategies, and I'm going to give you 5 tips on landing that coveted 6-figure job, all right? So let's get to it. Number 1, you want to do your research, okay? You want to make sure the jobs you're actually applying for actually pay 6 figures, okay? I can't tell you enough how many people make the mistake of applying for positions that only pay 60,000, 70,000, or 80,000, and your goal is to make $125,000. All right. Number 2, you want to learn a high value skill. This is so important. If a company is going to pay you 6 figures to do a job, they want to know that you actually have the skill set to make them more money or save them more money than what they are paying you. So some of the high value skills that are in demand right now is software development, project management, sales, communication, and also knowledge in tech, how to problem solve in tech. So if you're really like a administrative professional, one of the biggest advantages you can have right now is to really sharpen up your tech skills and become a problem solver and a strategist. That's going to take you to a whole nother level. And then number 3, you want to brand yourself as a high value professional. This is so important. All right. If you want to land the best jobs on the market, you need to be seen as the best candidate, the best professional on the market. OK, so the way you dress, the way you post on social media, on LinkedIn, the way your LinkedIn profile looks is very valuable. The way your resume looks, the way your resume represents you is extremely important. The places that you even go, you begin to embody, what a high value professional is. That's going to take you to a whole nother level. So if you want to land a 6-figure position and really be seen as the cream of the crop, the expert in your field, you have to make sure that your branding is on point. And then number 4, network. I can't say this enough that, 90% of the 6-figure jobs that are on the market are in the hidden job market. In other words, they're not posted online. So if you don't like the network and you want to make 6 figures, you're putting yourself at an extreme disadvantage. And I can't tell you how many professionals don't like to network. I get it. I didn't like the network, but guess what? Network is where the net worth is. So if you want to land those coveted 6-figure jobs, you need to build relationships. And as a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure you already got people in your current network who can link you and connect you with the right people. When you network, make sure that you both network online, like on sites like LinkedIn, but also make sure you network with friends, family, former coworkers, former bosses, former professors, former teachers. These people are in your corner and they will help you if they can. Utilize your network, all right? And then number 5, and this is all mindset right here, all right? You want to make sure you have the confidence and belief that you can land a 6-figure position or you can land another 6-figure position. If you don't believe that you can land it, don't think that the universe is going to bring that 6-figure job your way. If you don't have the belief and confidence, you might as well throw these other tips out the window because you're not going to do them full-fledged and wholeheartedly. So make sure you got the confidence and belief and know that you can land that job that you want. I hope this video helps. Have a good one. Peace.